Hello, this is Tom Sillis with Wecro.com. The title of this video is Saving $1 Million Building a Home Services Platform. Essentially, what happened was, I had a couple of choices to make. I was at retirement, making only I think it was $1,500 a month. It was a little bit less than that. And I had to make a choice. I said, I can't live in the United States doing that. I can't afford the U.S. My expenses were over $5,000 a month at the time, and I said, I gotta be able to make it under $1,000 because I need $500. A third of that money I was spending on the web server and the rental of the web server and developing my software and trying to build some businesses out there. So I had a choice. So I decided to go to the Philippines. I visited the Philippines. And I'm staying there for less than $600 a month. I mean, you have to live like a local to do that, but it's worth it because I had to make a choice. I wanted to save some money so I could do some advertising. When I launch, I need money, and if I need to travel back to the U.S. or I have an emergency, I got to have some money. So I had a choice to make. I got stuck in the U.S. when during COVID. And I couldn't come back to the Philippines, so I had like $30,000 in the bank. That went out. That lasted me about 10 months. I had to go out and do work. I actually was out there doing handyman services. I put out some videos, and I did the door hangers, and I got some jobs, and I went out and did them. Simple stuff, the stuff that I could handle. I chose what I could handle, and I put ads, and I did the handyman thing. And the ones I didn't have, I had about 10 other handymen that were available, and they took on the other jobs for me, and they paid me 20% commission. So it was great. It was done manually because I didn't have the website done yet. So it's kind of hard to do things without a website, But we did it. I was testing the market to test out my concept. And the concept was to create a website that works on a commission basis. It doesn't generate leads. We're not, we don't want to do that. I talked about that in another video. I didn't want to do subscription model like AngelList used to be because that doesn't make much money. And they ended up when they merged with Home Advisor, it became a lead generation, which again is bad. So we did that. It proved the model that I had. The commission model can work, and we started. That's how we started. And we kind of stopped after a while. I had this gentleman. He's still doing work for us. Now he's working on our site, and he's been with us for a little over 3 years now. And now he's using our website, which we went live September 1st. And he's busy now. He's crazy busy. He's got like 12 handymen, and they're working full time out on our project. So we're doing very well. We're already making money. I'm already making a living. I can live in the U.S. now. With if I want, but right now I'm still in the Philippines. We're finishing up a couple other verticals on the site, and I'm managing the call center. We have 20 virtual assistants here in the Philippines, and they're actually calling on service providers to get them onto our site so we can handle more business across the country. I mean, we're really expanding, and then we have retailers that are. We started in like certain cities, and we're expanding into others as we go. We expect by the end of this year, by Christmas, we're going to be across the country. We're already in 10 cities. We should hit the 30 cities, the 100 cities by the end of the year. We're adding more virtual assistants. We're taking the money and plowing it back in. I'm not spending that money to live in the U.S. yet. I'm being a little frugal. I'm doing the right thing. That's how you build $1 million. I saved $1 million by doing it that way. Like I said, building in the Philippines, living on $600 a month. I'm paying virtual assistants $2 an hour to set up service providers, and that's how we're doing it, and it's working very well. This would have cost me. I would have needed over $5 million to do this in the U.S. Investors, and I would be giving up quite a bit of the company. So. This saved me equity right now. I'm talking to investors, but I don't have any that I committed to yet. We're talking because this is working what I'm doing, and I got 100% of the company right now. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much. Oh, subscribe to our channel And please like this video, because it'll help me put better videos out there for the future for you. But it's a learning thing for you. Thank you very much.